Hey guys, just want to do a quick video today to share with you guys my experience with Forex Beginners Academy. So before I came across the academy, I basically knew nothing about Forex except for copy and paste some signals to make some tiny profit out of it. Then I was like, how do people make money out of Forex? That's when I decided to learn, and I came across the academy. I guess a really good thing about that is the whole course, the whole lessons, everything is free. You will probably learn everything about Forex, some of the very basic stuff about candlestick, trend line, channel, you name it, some very basic stuff. And then slowly moving up to the chart analysis, how to use the chart markups, and how to look at price movement, when to enter and when to exit. Set up your own stop loss, your own take profit, things like that. Not only that, the creator, the instructor, he also has the private Facebook group for all the traders like us to learn. So where you can post the chart markups, and it's gonna give you a feedback on it. So if you're new to Forex, or just want to get some knowledge out of Forex, that wants to know what's really going on with Forex, how to get started, my advice to you is please take a look at the Forex Beginners Academy. Everything is free. There's really no harm, right? You don't have to pay a dime. So why not?